Stop editing your videos after you record them. I used to spend more time editing a screen recording than actually recording it. Cutting out silence, adding zoom, writing captions by hand. Then I found a tool that does all of this while I am still recording, not after. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to set this up, and I am going to show you one feature that most people never even open, and it saves the most time of all. Here is the problem with every normal screen recorder. You record first, then you open an editor. Cutting out awkward pauses, adding captions, adding your face bubble, resizing for every platform, that can take an hour for a 5-minute video. FocuSee does this the other way around. The zoom happens automatically while you are recording. The captions come with one click. The silence and filler words get removed in seconds. So by the time you open the editor, most of the work is already done. Let me show you how simple this is. First, hit the link in the description below to go to the FocuSee website. Once you are there, hit download and it installs in a couple of minutes. No complicated setup. Once it is open, you pick how you want to record. Full screen, a custom area, one specific window, or even your phone screen. There is also a teleprompter built in, which is genuinely useful if you are reading from a script like I am right now. Before you hit record, you set up your camera, your microphone, and your system sound all in one place. You do not need any other software running in the background. And here is the part that matters. Look at your face bubble in the corner. It stays there and keeps recording the whole time, so you are not adding your face later. Now here is the feature that made me actually trust this tool. Watch the timeline while I am recording. See this blue block showing up right here that says zoom 2x, and FocuSee is adding it by itself, live, based on what I'm clicking and doing on screen. I did not draw that zoom in afterward. So when someone watches this later, the important part of the screen gets bigger exactly when it needs to. I never touched a timeline to make that happen. You can also choose between a flat, simple zoom or a smoother 3-dimensional style, depending on how much movement you want. Once you stop recording, the editor opens with everything already put together for you. You can set the canvas size for wherever this video is going. Padding, corners, shadows, backgrounds, all adjustable right here. Now this next part is the one most people skip, and it is honestly what makes your video look put together instead of basic. This is the cursor style panel. You can pick different cursor looks and click effects. I am using the spotlight effect here, which lights up exactly where I click, so nobody ever loses track of my cursor. There is also a full annotations panel. You can add text, shapes, blur out anything private on your screen, or draw an arrow pointing at something specific. Now the part that saves the most time out of everything, it is called Smart Cut. This feature listens to your audio. It even works in more than one language and removes silence and filler words on its own. This used to take me 20 to 30 minutes for every video. Now it takes about 10 seconds. Now the captions. A lot of tools get this wrong, but watch this. One click and FocuSee writes out subtitles straight from what I said in the recording. It supports over 55 languages and you do not need to download anything extra for it. Once it is generated, every single line can be edited right from this side panel. For the look, there are ready-made caption styles. I picked one with a bold outline and a highlight color, and you can see it live on screen right now, matching what I am saying as I say it. Once everything looks right, you hit export. You choose your resolution and format depending on where the video is going. One recording and it works everywhere. That is the whole process. I recorded once, the zoom happened live, the silence got removed by itself, and the captions were done in one click. No separate editing software needed. If you want to try FocuSee, the link is in the description below. I also have a 20% discount code for you. Use code FSKOL20 at checkout. If this just saved you 30 minutes of editing, that is exactly what this channel is about. I break down tools like this every few days. Subscribe if that sounds useful, and if you like this one, go watch the video on screen right now. It is one of the most useful ones on this channel, and I think you will get even more out of it.